If you are looking for a free yet high quality AI tool to convert your text to audio, then look no further than 11 Labs. As you can see on your screen, I am already at 11 Labs website. In the text box, without sign up, just type something. Let me paste here this text. Now click on the play button and it will convert this text to audio very
Welcome to
quickly.
FOD's channel
And
to
then we
learn
will play
cloud,
it.
AI, cybersecurity, and various other things together.
Now let me play it.
Welcome to FOD's channel to learn cloud, AI, cybersecurity, and various other things together.
So that's it. Now the best thing is that by clicking on this downward arrow, you can download this audio, which I'm not doing it now. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to overlap this audio with the video. Now, one more thing I want to tell you that if you just want to try out with different languages, you can also do that with the help of this. For example, click on Hindi here. It has put in
हर
Hindi
कोई
and it
दुनिया
is
को बदलने
generating
की
in
सोचता
Hindi
है,
text
लेकिन कोई खुद को बदलने की
and
सोचता ही
audio
नहीं.
out of it. Let me play it.
हर कोई दुनिया को बदलने की सोचता है, लेकिन कोई खुद को बदलने की सोचता ही नहीं.
So that's it. And if you sign up to this tool, then you also get to play around with various other features in different voice styles and lot of other things. Very nice tool. Kudos to the creators. Thank you.